So the Hong Kong markets is actually still reeling under pressure. It's down almost 450 points. Most of Asia actually has been on the lower side. The mainland Chinese market is also lower. Japan is not trading. The other markets, whichever are on the downside. That's the SGX for you, absolutely at the flat line. And that's the picture across the neighborhood. Well, on that note, let's move on and get a couple of F&O trading ideas in as well. Strategies for the day. We have Yogesh Mehta joining in from Motilal, Oswal. Yogesh, good morning. What are the bets that you're going with today?
Yeah, good morning. This market on Friday was again a bearish candle, and on a weekly scale it was a dodgy candle. So it is a kind of an indecisive mode and range-bound movement expected in this week as well. However, it could be a stock-specific different story based on the events. On stock-specific front, we are recommending buy HDFC Limited with a target of 2040 and the stop loss at around 1975 level. Again, one on the short side is IndusInd Bank, keeping a stop loss of 1548. Target could be in the range of 1450, 1460 level. And the buy is Biocon, which is given a strong breakout on Friday above 614 level closing, keeping a stop loss of 632. Target could be in the range of 660 to 665 range.
Okay, all right. Those are some calls coming. Anything else that you're watching out for? I mean, how would you approach a stock like Infosys, for example, because it will be in the news today, reacting to its numbers?
Yeah, Infosys since last 2-3 weeks the momentum was 660 to 685, 687 band. If it closes, if it opens above 690 odd level, then the next target could be in the range of 720 to 722. And if anybody wants to go long, then stop loss again would be around 672 levels.
By the way, just Yogesh, thanks a lot for joining us. Just pull out a 6-month chart of Infosys. Why that is important is that, yes, in the near term, the move will be about market positioning. On Friday, of course, perhaps there were some shorts in the entire system. Now, after last quarter also, Infosys had a bit of a gap up. It looked like perhaps, it was really going through the races. But immediately after that, it once again slipped. So the point that Girish was also making, it looks good compared to TCS. But is that good enough? That's something that, of course, you need to find out.